Telling him I'm not going to fucking
Dad, just go, okay?
On that basis alone, you're gonna fail.